Today, let us have a look at the finished valve inspection process and specification of finished products before storage. The first step, check whether the transmission part is locked and not loose. The second step, valve opening. Opening and closing shall not have obvious jamming. The third step, drive device. Check the driving device with opening indication. The opening indication is in place accurately. The fourth step, nameplate. Test whether the nameplate installation position is correct and the content can match with real item. The fifth step, cleaning. Check the valve body. There should be no residual water, oil and impurities. The sixth step, external spraying. Check whether the specified external parts of the valve are painted according to the regulations and whether the color and thickness meet the requirements. The seventh step, product inspection. The inspector signs on the finished product storage form for confirmation. The eighth step, product delivery. Sign and confirm according to the finished product and shipment inspection record.